Welcome to Infinite Knowledge.
Today we are diving into the fundamental tool for Mac users, Homebrew. Whether you are a developer, a power user, or just curious about enhancing your Mac OS experience, it is a fantastic package manager that simplifies software installation on your Mac. Stick around and I'll guide you through the process of installing it on your Mac terminal. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the terminal. So it will be available on your application utilities folder, or you can simply enter command spacebar to open your Spotlight, and you can type it to the terminal just like here. And after opening the terminal just like this, you can install the Homebrew by using this following command. I'll provide this command into the description box for your use. Just copy it and paste it. And since I have already installed it, it will update it for me, and for you it will install it. So just hit enter, and what it will do, it will ask your system password. So you can just type it there, and after that it will start. So it's asking for to continue or any other key to abort. Just press enter, and it will start doing some processing and all to install it or update it. And yeah, let's wait for it. So I'll skip this part in the process because it's already updating for me. Yeah, so here we have, so it is already installed for me and updated. Now what you can do is you can verify the installation by typing the brew command. So by pressing the brew command, it will give commands like this: brew info, brew search, install, update. So you know that it is already installed in your Mac. And that's it! You have successfully installed Homebrew on your Mac. You now have a powerful tool to easily manage and install software packages on your system. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!